Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited to share with you guys what I got from Sephora. I got a lot of good deal from Sephora, and I was just scrolling and I saw that there is a 50% discount on all those products. So I bought all those products, and plus I bought another few products where I didn't get any discount. Those are in my wish list and I was planning to buy them, and I have so many products. You can only get 50% discount on that particular products, so you only have to hit that 50% and then it will redirect you towards the product which has like 50% off. So without any further ado, I wanted to show you all the product which I got. Let me show you. I have so many products in it. Okay, so let's get into it. So few of them are my skin products and few of them are like makeup. So let's get and start with that first one, Biodance. So I got this from Biodance. I hope you can see it. And this is collagen gel toner pad. I really wanted to get something for my skin. Let me just open this for you. Okay, look at this. Oh wow, this is pretty big box, container. Oh wow, I have that plucker. If you can see, I have to pluck things and then I believe I have to open it from here and then I can use it. Okay, next again I got this from Innisfree. Green tea enzyme vitamin C brightening toner pads. So again, this is another pad which I got for my skin. It's good. Oh, it has again the plucker thing here, and I have to open it, I believe. Oh, I have to open the jar from here. So next again I got it for Cosrx. I believe I am pronouncing the name correct. Glaze mask, and this has collagen plus peptide for the glowing skin, improve your skin texture. Wow, I was looking for applicator because I have a lot of face pack these days. I'm using a lot of face pack and I really wanted to get some applicator, and I got this applicator in this one. So I believe I have to apply this, and I have to apply this thin layer, and it will come out like I have to peel it. Okay, perfect. So this is what I have. Alright, so next what I got again this is a vitamin C brightening face to mask to form. So basically it's a cleanser. You have to apply thick layer on your thick or thin, whatever you can apply on your face. Just keep it for 10 minutes and then take some water and just rub to your face. This is again from Clinique Dramatic Different Moisturizing Gel, oil free. So it's oil free, and it's like a hydrating gel, and if you apply it gives you like a very soothing and cooling effect, and it's like make your skin plump. So I like this, especially this one. So I got the smaller one. I believe I should have buy the bigger one. Now I have all these makeup. Okay, so let's get started with the lipsticks. Okay, so this is like my first time I bought this Huda Beauty liquid matte. Trust me, when I was kid and I was not able to purchase any expensive product, I bought this from the street, and it was like a fake product. Trust me, I was aware. I was I was aware that it is not a correct or not the original product, and I was like assuming or manifesting that someday I'll buy the original product from Huda Beauty, and I got this one, this lipstick. This is the Bombshell. I especially got only one shade because I don't want to, my lips is not that good, and that's why I don't want to go with any very mattifying lipstick. So that's why I wanted to try only one first, and the Bombshell, this shade is one of the best shade, and that's why I bought this one. And this is so amazing. I believe I can show you the color. Wow, it's a little bit pinkish. I'm definitely sure that this will look good on me. The shade is kind of pinkish, and I really like this kind of shade. It goes great on my skin tone. That's why I wanted to try this. I'll definitely make another video where I'm gonna apply all these lipstick and I'm gonna show you one by one. Lthese are the product. Let me show you these two. So these are the lip injection in extreme plumbing clicks. Okay, the first shade is Perfect Pink. The second one is On Point. So that's again a great one. Let me show you the packaging from inside. Okay, wow. I don't know, it looks kind of if you remember, we used to do the coloring. Oh, I have to do like this. I have to do like this to get the product from here. Okay, this is the shade, the first one, this one. Okay, one is Perfect Pink. Right. Again, the packaging is same, only the color will be different. You only have to press this button so that the product will come out from here. It's very glossy, and this one is kind of very it is again the pinkish, but you will not get too much pink, I believe. But again, if you see like very closely, then it has a hint of pink color, pink shade. Okay, so this is again for Peace Out. This is a roll on for my under eye. And let me show you. I used to have this one earlier, but I don't know, I was not able to find the product. This has the product like this. I have to just apply under my eyes. Retinol eye jelly stick. So again, I got this from Benefit and Benefit Go Tint. So again, okay, this is the shade, this one. Again, I'm gonna show you these from again Too Faced. These are again the same lip injection, Maximum Plump. The first one is Wink, the second one is Lavender Daz. Okay, so I'm gonna open the first one, Lavender Daz. Oh wow, it has a sparkle in it, if you can see. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh wow, you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is... So let's go to the next one. This is Wink Wink. This is again Wink Wink. Wow, again this is one of the best color. You can see this one. Again, it's a very mild sparkle. I'm not sure if you can see it, but if I'm applying on my lips, definitely I can see the sparkle. Okay, let's get to the next one. So I got two MAC lipstick. I am obsessed with this new launch of in like MAC. They have launched this, you know, powder lipstick. I am so obsessed because the formula, it is not making my lips chappy, dry, and I don't know why, but I feel amazed with this lipstick. So I got all the color from this particular launch. First one is 20 Fun. Okay, again, this is the packaging. Okay, and this is the shade again, and this is the shade Stay Curious. This is the shade. This Anastasia Beverly Hill, and this is a lip velvet. I have two colors already, and this is a pomegranate. Let me open it for you guys. Wow, look at this. Very royal and very velvety shade, this one. Alright, so let's get into the next one. Okay, I got this foundation, Huda Beauty. I believe I don't have a Huda Beauty foundation. I'm not sure. I believe I have NARS, Lancome, MAC. I don't remember. I have so many products. So I got another one from the Huda Beauty. It's a Easy Blur foundation. I got this small primer inside this box, and this is the packaging. Like, this product is amazing. I will give you like a flawless coverage. So I really wanted to try this, and you have to open it from here, and let me see if I can see the consistency. Oh, this is like watery consistency, not too watery. If you can hear, this is the shade. I believe it's a good shade for me. I'm not sure. Is it? Oh no, it looks very light on me. Huh? Is it? I don't know. I have to try on first. Let's see. Okay, next I got this from Laura Mercier Paris. This is again a lipstick, and the shade is 321. Don't ask me to read this. I don't know. Let me show you the product from inside. This is again kind of a crayon. This is the shade. It's so kind of this kind of shade. Okay, next I got this again, Makeup Forever. This concealer. This is in shade 4.1. Oh, it's made in Korea. Oh my god, that's Korea product is always good, I believe. Only if you're getting the original one, not the copy one. Oh, I got it in like this shade just to do the correction to my face, because I have a hyperpigmentation on my mouth. If you can see, I'm working on it so that I can get rid of this. But again, it takes your whole life or 100% your dedication towards your dedication. If you want something in your life, you have to give your 100%, and that's how you'll be able to get it. I'm working on my health, I'm working on my skin, I'm working on my hair. I know the result is not coming, but I don't want to tell you this that I want to tell you this, sorry, that I will not give up. I'll work hard for everything, for especially for my health. I've been going through a lot of stress, health problem, lots of process, and finally I am able to talk. Finally I'm able to take care of myself. It was really hard for me and for my family, especially my husband. Last 2 months was really hard for me. I wish I could tell you everything, but this is a social media. I don't want to involve my personal things, but yeah, that is the reason I was not very consistent for my YouTube. But here I am back strong, and I love you guys. Thanks so much for giving me lots of love. I saw that I got a lot of followers. Thank you so much for that, and thank you for watching my video. Okay, this is again another product from Easy Bake. This is from Huda Beauty. Easy Bake. I believe that this is a good deal, guys. Look at this. I got a full, big 100 ml spray, setting spray. Look at this. I told you about this, right? I was trying the smaller package. Again, this is not. I am done. I have to return this. I know that I have to return that one. I told you that mechanism is not working for that spray. I don't know. They have to fix this problem. And this, I thought this is only for the trial package, but I believe that they have the problem with that particular product. So they have to fix this. And again, I'll try that foundation because I feel that the foundation is way too lighter than my skin tone. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it.